I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a device from your Uber Eats account, follow these steps to make it quick and easy. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account from which you want to remove the device. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to security settings. Scroll down and select security from the list of options. This section allows you to manage devices linked to your account. Step 4. Review linked devices. In the security section, look for a list of devices currently linked to your account. Identify the device you want to remove. Step 5. Remove the device. Select the device you wish to remove and tap on the Remove button. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the device is unlinked. Sometimes, you might accidentally remove the wrong device, so double check the device name before confirming. I hope this helps you manage your Uber Eats account more effectively. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.